Hi, I'm Pete Crawford from Elite Archery, and we are here at BowCast at the Bird representing our bows up here, sponsoring this event and getting people to shoot our bows and try them out maybe for the first time. We're proud to have several archery dealers right here in the Salt Lake City area, and we have a different and a unique bow that is designed for the bow hunter. We use laminated limbs so that they're basically bulletproof, and we use a 2-track system which virtually eliminates cam lane. This is an event that people can come from all over the country and really challenge their archery skills, angle shooting, making sure that they have their third axis developed right. It's really, really a fun, physically challenging bow hunting event.
I'm CJ Davis with Nikon Sport Optics. I'm here at BowCast at the Bird at the Snowbird Resort in Utah. It's a great opportunity for me to come in and show our products to our end consumer, the guys and girls that are actually using them. And it's a great chance for them to test out stuff, things they don't normally get to play with in the field before they buy. Here you can. You can take the rangefinder and see how the angles work, see how the ID technology helps you. You can take the edge binocular and see the difference in the glass compared to what you have or some of our other items in the line. It's just a great opportunity for hands-on experience. You can leave here having a great shoot, prep for hunting season, and know a little bit more about the products you want to buy.
Yeah, I'm Ryan Ward with Easton. We're up here at the Snowbird with the FMP and BowCast crew. It's amazing views up here, great setting. We're actually out here showing our product line, letting people kind of get their hands on the product and see the full lineup, go through the catalog and ask any sort of technical questions, help them get set up properly. We're also just giving away some hats and stickers.
Kyle Keel here with Addiction Outdoor Apparel. This is our newest design we've got out. What we're trying to do is something a little more edgy, something for the new school archers. Just trying to separate ourselves from some of the other, outdoor apparel companies out there.
You guys are hardcore bow hunters just by the fact that you're here. I mean, that tells me right there. The average bow hunter is probably not going to come to this course and take it on. And of course, we need to get a little bit more publicity on this thing, get more people out here to see what they're missing.
What do you look at? The target, the pin. You can only choose one. Because is raising your bow arm without raising your shoulder. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty simple without going like this. Raise your bow arm without raising your shoulder. So when you do pull back, it puts the weight into your back, not up into here. And after practicing this, your subconscious will take over. You'll make a perfect shot, no problem. Too. So that's been good. When you get a little tension, we pre-draw. You draw it basically slightly higher than the target, up and over, while pulling with your back. Squeezing, just keep pulling. Better.
All right, we got a spot hog release. 182. 182.
Right here.
Yeah.
You want a bow and that?
We are looking at 193.
Will they cut them tomorrow?
That's it. Rangefinder by Nikon. 607. 607.
Where?
Yeah.
Right on.
We're never going to hear the end of it.
Check it.
I'm sure Josh can explain his story much better than I can. So here's from a kid that is pushing it and going further every day and saying, I can.
I was diagnosed with cancer when I was 8, and so it's great. And I had to do lots of surgeries, and halfway through the chemo that I had to have to cure the cancer, I was put into heart failure, and I had to go into the ICU for 3 months. And finally, I didn't think that I'd ever get better, but finally I did. And so I'm here today talking about it, I guess.
Yeah, buddy.
So I guess we all can, and we should keep on going. Thanks, Josh, for coming up.
Josh, we'd like to give you a $500 gift certificate to Sportsman's Warehouse. All right, so our last prize of the evening is the Elite Archery Z28. And for those of you pre-registered, you know Elite's not only supported BowCast around this event, but have also given, this is the third bow that they're giving away. So I want to thank them once again. And the lucky number is?
It's 4, 6, 1.
In the back! Go, brother. Again, thank you very much. Maybe we have another bow to give away.
The GT?
So this is the Elite Archery GT 500. I promise there's nothing else under that table.
1, 8, 9.
No, that's my ticket, I swear. Can I get this one? No, okay, thanks.